Good morning. Today I'm going to give you another tour of my long nails. This is my journey of growing them as long as I can. I started this channel on August the 4th just to kind of experiment and share my obsession of my nails and long nails with other people. And it's been going well. I've been learning a lot of things. And ever since, they've grown a lot, as you can see. See? Today I cleaned them. They were like this orangey pink, but in the videos they turned out to be more orange than pink coral, which was what I was going for. And so I got tired of that color. I was looking for a natural color, like a more neutral color, but it ended up being more intense than I wanted it, like that blue one that I had before. So I just got tired of it. And usually I would wear my nail polish for 2 weeks before I get tired of it. 2, maybe even 3 weeks, depending on my time. I do have like a long list of chores for every day. So I really got tired of it. So I cleaned it today with my favorite brand. It's a Colombian brand. It could be Brazilian brand, but for sure it's not American. As you know, I live in the United States. Now, continue on with my nail tour. I'm going to give you a close up. Okay, here's my pinky. Here's the back side. I had colored the back sides of my nails white, so I'm still getting rid of some of this. I am. But it doesn't look so bad this way. Here's my long fingernail. Here's what it looks like. You know what? It could get kind of disgusting if it gets too long, because then it'll eventually curve or weaken. So I'm going to see how it goes for the next 2 weeks. This one is already naturally curvy. See? Compared to like the other ones. So that could create some sort of discomfort. But I do like how it taps, the sound that it makes when it taps. Compared to the other ones, I have to bend my nails and fingers. Okay, here's my ring finger. Again, just want to show you how that it's natural. Now, same thing what I said in my last video. Now, in my last video, I shared some some of some of the things that I do to keep my nails long. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing here. Hopefully, add something else. Um, okay, I think the biggest thing is jeans. Jeans. Growing up, my mom always had naturally long nails. She always got her nails done. Um, and what I'm finding now is that I don't get my nails done a lot because I just don't have the time for it. It takes too long. And because I found this 3-step system from this friend that I like, you've seen me do it before. I just put the top coat on really fast, put on a color, and then immediately put on the third one. And it dries really quick. And what that does is that it creates a thick coating that protects my nails. And I think it helps with breakage and chipping. So that's number one. I think it's putting on a good nail polish, but also staying away from acrylics, from gel polish, because that's what strips away your nails. Now, some people might say that the nail polish that I put on could also strip your nails. I think that, and also regular nail polish that is not as harsh. So far, it has not chipped my nails. I mean, look how long they are. Okay. The other thing they can do, the second thing, is a lot of people like to do like um, the square. It's how you file your nails. If you shape them in a square, then they have a tendency to chip more. That's what I learned from every manicurist that I've been to in Medellin. And so I've learned to embrace like the nice curves. So I would file it that way. And it is true. They don't chip as much. Like the edges, they don't chip. The color doesn't chip. The nail just doesn't chip. So it's how you file it. Have a nice round color. Embrace that. And then of course the other things are like just dieting, eating well, eating plenty of protein because I do work out and do strength training. Naturally, I need to have because I work out a lot. Um, Less than I used to. I do need to have 30 more than 30 grams of protein right away. So just a lot of protein, rich food. I think that really helps with just growing fast. My nails grow really fast naturally. It's kind of annoying. It used to be very annoying because I would work a lot on the bars, trying to doing pull ups, and they would bother me. But I got used to it, and also with the typing. But I've gotten used to it, and so it's fun. So those are just a few things to keep in mind in order to keep your nails growing strong, long, and natural. One, uh, above all, stay away from the gel polishes. Stay away from the acrylics because they will strip your nails and it just looks gross and it's just so high maintenance. That is the number one thing. Oh, yeah, and don't bite your nails. Just don't chew on them. Okay. So hope you like this nail color, this nail tour. Just gonna compare them side by side. Okay. My middle fingers. This one is naturally crooked because I think it's because of all the typing I used to do, all the writing I used to do. The middle finger. I think my left one is a little longer. Sorry for the noise here. Living in Medellin, we have some beautiful parrots, wild parrots, and I have a kid running around. Doesn't have school today for whatever reason. This shirt used to belong to a friend, Michael Bradley, who passed away too soon. So it's my PJ. So R.I.P. to one of the coolest people I've ever known.